Welcome back to Tech Goods, the place where we break down the latest gear to help you level up your lifestyle. Today, we are moving the tech outside to look at a massive addition to any backyard. The JolyDale 20 feet by 12 feet, aluminum and galvanized steel gazebo. Whether you are planning a massive summer barbecue, looking for a permanent spot to soak in the fresh air, or just need a reliable space for everyday relaxation, finding a structure that balances durability with design is key. This double hardtop gazebo is marketed as a permanent sanctuary for your lawn or pool area. And today we're going to see if it lives up to the hype. The first thing to appreciate about this model is the sheer scale and the materials used to support it. The frame is constructed from high-quality powder-coated aluminum, which is an excellent choice because it provides the strength needed to withstand heavy snowfalls and high winds while remaining naturally rust-resistant. Above you, the double hardtop roof is made of galvanized steel, offering a level of longevity that soft-top canopies simply cannot match. A particularly smart design choice is the sloped roof, which ensures that snow, rain, and autumn leaves don't accumulate on top, making the structure much easier to maintain over the years without having to climb up and clear it off manually. Beyond the structural bones, this gazebo is packed with features that make it feel like a true outdoor room. It comes equipped with both side curtains and mesh screens, allowing you to easily adjust your privacy levels or keep the bugs out during a late evening dinner. One of the most practical tech features is the integrated drainage system. Rather than letting rain pour off the sides in a sheet, the frame is designed to channel water toward the edges and down the poles to keep the interior dry and protect the curtains from getting soaked. Additionally, the top roof features built-in hooks, which are perfect for hanging outdoor fans to stay cool, or stringing up LED lights to set the mood once the sun goes down. When it comes to the setup process, transparency is important, and JolyDale is very clear about what to expect. The unit ships in 7 separate boxes, so do not be surprised if they arrive on different days due to the weight and size of the components. Inside, you will find all the necessary hardware, assembly tools, and a set of instructions designed to guide you through the build. However, it is vital to remember that while anchor and mounting materials are included, you will need to provide your own foundation materials, such as a concrete slab or wooden deck. If you are planning to set this up directly on grass, you must take the extra step of using ground pegs and wind ropes to ensure it stays securely anchored during a storm. Overall, the JolyDale 20 feet by 12 feet gazebo is a powerhouse for anyone serious about transforming their outdoor living space into a functional year-round retreat. Its combination of a rust-resistant frame and a smart drainage system makes it a standout choice for those who want a set-it-and-forget-it solution for their backyard. If this review helped you decide on your next home upgrade, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Goods for more deep dives into the products that make life better. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.